In this video, we're going to begin to take a more in-depth look at the drummer in GarageBand and how this can be used to make a more authentic sounding drum track for your songs. There are lots of different drummers available in a variety of styles, across acoustic, electronic, and percussion. To begin, we're going to turn everything off, start really slowly, and just use one shaker. You'll notice that along the percussion slider, you have three options for variations on what the shaker plays. Next, we'll add in the bass or kick drum. This generally starts on beat 1 of the bar. We'll then turn off the shaker and add in the hi-hat instead. You'll also notice here I'm experimenting with some of the different variations for the hi-hat. Next, we'll add in the snare drum. In this example, it falls on beat 2 and 4, which is very common in pop and rock music. On the left, you'll notice that there's an option to make the drum track louder or softer, or simple or more complex. So now that we have a basic drum track, let's add in some chords as well. The guitar chords follow the 1-5-6-4 chord sequence in C major, so they are C, G, A minor and F. Now that we have a chord sequence, we can now return to our drum track and make some changes as required. Listen carefully to the instruments you've added and how they interact with the drums. If it sounds right, it generally is right, so trust your ear and don't overdo it.